Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Post Market Analysis. Today is a Monday, June 24th, 2024. Right now it's 7:07 p.m. So so first a look at, like I say, the Sunday to future open shows us somewhat kind of like a bullish sentiment and keep making cannot say keep making new high, but it kind of like come back down and trying to come back, but it seems like it was not able to go above this opening high, and then kind of tripling down then. And this one is kind of breathtaking here. Is what that's like at about 9 o'clock, and it's like a straight down, and really this like only about 15 minutes this is a drop like about like 20 points still. Yeah, there's a 55.38 and here is a 55.19, so almost like a 20 points still. And then later it slowly come back overnight and make a new high. That's crazy, right? And from the bottom to here is we can see that's kind of like the 26 points the move. Basically that's like that's the range of Friday, and then it seems like once it hit that milestone, it kind of basically come back down and hit the middle and below, and that's very volatile. When it get to market open, the market open kind of it chop around, it kind of try to go higher and then make a new low and then come back, and then almost like a mirroring, but it's not exactly like a mirroring. It's more than just mirroring. So this run from here, which is 55.25 ish, go all the way to 55.58. That's breathtaking here. If we look at here to basically around 54.60, it go all the way to like a 54, almost like a 19. So that's like about 30 points kind of move from here, and literally that's like 9:45 ish to the high here is like a 10:15. I mean less than 30 minutes it finished all the move, and then it tumble down and get back to the to this central level, and which is basically this is the morning, like the cutoff time is like at 10 o'clock. Yeah, this is the center, and then it bounced back pretty hard and have been kind of chopping around there, and so essentially eventually it's not really holding up there. It coming back down. It gave back all the gain today and making new low. After making new low at this level, and then it come back above this mid level, which is what's yesterday, but it was not really able to kind of get above to this central the mid level here, and when it get to close, it looks very likely it could kind of get all the way up here and close somewhere. If not going up above here, probably going to close around this middle level here. But market got like a pretty bad sell-off by the end of the day, and literally from here 54.60-ish to this that drop more than like more than 10 points there. So it's almost like kind of like 13 points. Wow, that's amazing. So what's that going to entail going here? Certainly the close is very, very bearish, and the future is open right now, and it seems like I would say it's in a very cautious tone, and I think it's waiting to pick directions going one way or the other. So today total it moved like 43 points. So tomorrow it should kind of move at least another 20 points, probably about 23 points, or even could be say 40 points. Yeah, it could move another 40 points, so or 43 points. So what that means, about 40 points from the closing today, we are talking about, we are really talking about it could go back down to this 54.10 level, okay, or even 5400 level, and coming back it could come back to this so assuming the 40 points that really kind of 54.10, and on the upside would be back to this 54.90 level. So that's my take on it. And then in terms of Tuesday, so on the calendar, first thing is at 8:30. It has a Chicago Fed National Activity Index, and then have a read the book. 9 o'clock about read the book, that's at 8:55. 9 o'clock is like a home price, housing price and things like that. That's before the market open. And then 10 o'clock have a Chicago Board Consumer Confidence, and then have some Fed data coming out, Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index, Shipment Index, Services Index, and 10:30 then have another the Dallas Fed Services Index and Revenue Indexes, and then 11:30 that's as usual Treasury auctions. So pretty busy, kind of like in the morning. It seems like every 30 minutes or so that there's just something coming out. And then at 12 o'clock is a Fed Cook, like a Fed speech from Fed Cook. And then 1 o'clock also have another 2-year note auctions. And 1 o'clock also have like a money supply data. And then 2:10 comes like a Fed Bowman speech. And probably at around 2:10 that could be a market either reach the high or reach the low, or probably the first one, like at the Fed Cook speech. Probably that would be the time that market reach the peak or reach the bottom. Just a speculation, so I have no idea. Can only see that what market doing at that moment. So With that said, it's a busy day, it seems like, and watch out 12 o'clock and 2:10. That could be, yeah. But market seems like pretty resilient. But based on today's experiences, like it wanted to push up a lot, but it met like lots of like sellers. And with that said, it seems like it seems like all the traders want to take the profit off the table right now, and do not want to do anything about it. If I say anything they want to do, they want to get out for now and take a break. So if indeed that's the case, tomorrow likely going further down, and especially with the bearish close today. Interestingly, the closing level actually is the middle level of before this gap. Like last time when it did the last gap here, it had a huge run, and the middle level is that it is around that 54.47. So we'll see. Kind of tomorrow, this could be a in some way this is a pivotal point, and it could be the support, and market probably maybe here is the bottom for this week, and then we're coming back up and make a run later on this week, or it could continue coming back down here, and then it could be stopped at like a 5400. So and then could make a run again. So just I think I would say just wish you all the best, and may all the energy be with you all time. Thank you.